I'm going for a ride in my boy's car. Turtles S197, full bolt on. No one here for him to race, so this is what we're doing. This thing is like a luxury car. Leather interior.
Yep. I'm pretty sure with full interior I can do a first gear pull.
Yeah, let's try it.
There's a first gear pull.
Go for it. What was that? 40. Feels good. Hooked.
It felt way slower.
Of course. It's like driving around with a parachute on while I'm in the car, man.
It's too quiet. It dead hooks in first gear with weight.
Yeah, absolutely. Felt good. Sounds nice. You go to almost 8,000, right?
Yeah, when I go to 5th, I take it to 8. He's racing.
Oh, they're running?